The following video is a quick tutorial on how to register a Mulgrave Cafeteria account with Dana Hospitality. To begin, visit the Mulgrave Cafeteria website at mulgrave.icaneat.ca. Once you have loaded the Dana Hospitality website, click the Account Log On button. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Open Cafe Account Portal button. It's important to note that everyone must register for a Mulgrave Cafeteria account, regardless of if you plan to pay with cash or even use the cafeteria services at all. Click the Register Now button and fill out the requested information. The registration should be under a family name, so please use a parent's first and last name to get started. After you've filled out the information, click Save. Now add an account for each child attending Mulgrave School. Click Add Account and fill out one of the information options. We recommend using the bottom first name last name search section so that you can be sure that the student number being used is correct and you are linking the correct students to your account. Click Search and you should get a list of matching student names. Select the student you are registering under your account and it will automatically populate the above student number and optional nickname. Finally, click Submit and that student is now registered under your account. From here, you can click Add Account and add any additional students you would like to register under your cafeteria account. Now that you've registered and added students to your account, you have the ability to track item transactions, load money, lock the account, or even transfer money between accounts. To add funds, click Load, input the dollar amount you wish to add, and that will send you to the Dana Hospitality payment page. You have the options of paying by either credit card or through your online debit account. And that's it. You're ready to enjoy the cafeteria at Mulgrave. To remove a user from your account or if you have any further questions, please feel free to email caf@mulgrave.com. Thanks for watching.